Motorola launched its new affordable 5G phone under G series in India called Moto G45. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G45 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Moto G45 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 20 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.64 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G45 5G has been priced in the India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option has been priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 28th in brilliant blue, brilliant green, and Viva Magenta color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G45 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.